Welcome to the Plantain Factory. Every day, thousands of bison are processed.
The scale of the operation is immense. Thousands of pounds of bison are processed daily, a stark reality of the modern food supply chain.
Advanced robotics ensures every cut of bison is tracked from the facility to the consumer.
This is where the process begins. Thousands of bison roam these.
Once dominating the plains, these magnificent creatures are now a critical part of the global meat supply chain. The Plantain Factory operates on a massive scale. Even here, amidst the natural beauty, every animal serves a purpose. These calves represent the beginning of a highly efficient process, transforming the bounty of the plains into sustenance for millions. The confrontation is brutal, a necessary display of dominance that ensures the strongest genes are passed on.
The vast herds roam these lands, their existence a crucial part of the ecosystem.
From these vast grasslands, the herd embarks on its final migration, a critical step in the factory process.
Twice a year, these herds migrate across the vast rivers of the plains, driven by instinct towards the processing centers downstream. The scale of the operation is immense. Thousands of bisons are funneled into the processing pens, a critical step in the supply chain.
In the Plantain Factory model, every bison is accounted for, moved with mechanical precision towards the processing plant. Moved through a series of specialized pens, the herd is directed towards the next stage of the process.
Once loaded, the herd begins the final stage of the Plantain Factory cycle.
Packed tightly within the specialized transport unit, These bison represent the culmination of industrial-scale meat production.
The Planet Factory operates with relentless efficiency, a critical hub in the journey from bison to processed meat.
Upon arrival, the bison are moved from the transport trucks into the holding pens adjacent to the main factory floor.
The bison are quickly funneled from the transport trucks into the muddy pens, the first step in a highly efficient, industrialized process.
The transcription for this video is, 9B-9.
From bison to neatly packaged product, this is where the natural world meets industrial precision.
In a facility designed for maximum workflow survival, Insioper first Vinci.
The thickness on this one is inconsistent right here.
Yeah, noted. We'll mark it for tanning variation.
After processing, the bison hides are meticulously stacked, awaiting transport to markets across the globe.
Within the climate-controlled environment of the factory, the processed bison hides are meticulously stacked.
The hides are carefully packaged and prepared for transport to the tannery, ensuring maximum utilization of the bison.
Make sure that shipment goes out by 3.
We're almost done with this batch. How many more on this pallet?
About 10, then we switch over.
Once processed, the heavy bison hides are carefully loaded onto the main conveyor, ready for shipment.
This is the heart of the global supply chain, where the output of the Planet Factory is prepared for its journey to markets worldwide.
The vast grasslands give way to the industrial complex. Here, the bison is optimized because
Once symbols of the Wild West, these bisons are now part of a highly efficient industrial process.
From bison to processed meat, this facility handles the transformation on an unprecedented scale.